Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Arazi Prep School for Boys. Today's lesson is for grade 7 students in week 3 from distance learning, lesson 1. The lesson is about asking for an advice and giving an advice. Of course, the lesson is presented by your teacher, Nidal Jimni. First, I want you to read the following dialogues and find expressions for asking for an advice and giving advice. Dialogue number 1. What's the matter? I have a headache. What should I do? You should go to the doctor and you shouldn't go out. Dialogue number 2. Are you okay? Oh, I have the flu. I don't know what to do. I advise you to stay at home. What should I do? I don't know what to do. These two sentences are used to ask for an advice. Asking for an advice, you can use different sentences for asking for an advice, such as, what should I do? What do you think I should do? What can I do? What do you advise me to do? When someone asks for an advice, you should give them advice. And to give advice, you can use different sentences, such as you should, you shouldn't, you ought to, and I advise you to. If you want to give a stronger advice, you can use you must and you have to. For example, you must listen to your teacher. You have to wash your hands every day. You should do your homework. I advise you to go to the doctor. You ought to respect your teachers. Here are some expressions we can use to ask for and give advice. You can pause the video and write them down. Now, time for practice. Use should or shouldn't or advise to complete the following sentences. These are tips to protect yourself from the new coronavirus. Number 1, you should wash your hands with soap and water. You should wash your hands with soap and water. Number 2, you shouldn't shake hands with people. You shouldn't shake hands with people. Number 3, I advise you to stay at home. I advise you to stay at home. Thank you for attending this lesson, and don't forget to do the homework on Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions, just post them there on your team. Thank you.